Alright, let me show you all my tabs. Those are my tabs. As you can see, nothing of interest. And then I'm gonna do the basic setup for this. So include IOStream using namespace std. What did I mess up? Oh, hashtag. There we go. Okay, set up our main function. Cal. Ask the user for an input, enter an integer. Okay, and send. No, wait. What I'm actually gonna do here is I'm going to go with a do while loop. So I'm gonna put that. So it'll run at least once and it'll ask for the user to input the number. But then the thing that'll be better here is that if the user enters an invalid input, we'll still, oh, I forgot to add the variable. Int num, I'm so used to going like straight to the do while loop in practice. So int num, there we go. This will be the variable where the user will store their stuff. So if the user enters an invalid input, we'll clear the error state. And then we'll ignore up the first 1,000 characters and have the character n up to the character n. And then we'll tell the user what they did wrong. Invalid input, please try again. And then I'll just loop back up to the top and we'll do this while sin is invalid. Right. Now that we've got that done, we're gonna go on to the if even statement. Even if statement. What is this? Oh wait, I forgot the semicolon there. Okay. If num mod 2 equals 0, so divisible by 0, then that means it's even. So we're going to print the number is even, and otherwise else we're gonna tell the user that the number is odd. And then we'll return 0 here. Let's try running that now. Run, start debugging. Enter an integer. Let's do a to test it. Nope. Wait, no, let's just do that again. Bus. Okay, maybe not that. Well, it's broken, but I tried. So 7 is odd. Let's try it again. 9. Nope. 9 is odd. Okay. And then let's make a new file. Not in there. C103.12 CPP, and this will be for the switch statement. I won't do the input validation here because for some reason VS Code, I'm pretty sure it's right, but either way, it doesn't really matter. So I include IOStream. using namespace std int main int num. We're not going to do error validation here, so we're just going to go straight to switch num mod 2, and in the case that it's 0, that means that is even, so count num is even, and then let me just is odd. This is gonna be in the case of -1 or in the case of 1, and we'll just let it cascade down. Wait, no, here, break. Speaking of cascade, we have to make sure that won't cascade down. Then this goes to that, then we break here. Okay. What else? I think that's all for here. So let's try running that. Are debugging? Oh wait! Oh my god! No. I forgot to do. Enter, and then integer, and then there we go. Okay, now we can run. Nope. Run, start debugging. Yes. Give it a second. To an integer, let's do an even one this time, so 8. 8 is even. And that's the switch. Cancel. And that's the switch, and that's the... Oh, no, that's my first one. Sorry. That's my switch, and that's my if even with my weird error statement. I mean, invalid validation input validation. It's all over. Thank you for watching the video.